Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to another edition of Faith Friday. It's me, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and we are going to jump right in to set ourselves up for our spiritual routine for the week of August 30th through September the 5th. Now, today I'm doing something a little different. I'm using this fancy floral sticker book and also the Mojo Jojo Plans, clearly has grease on it, sticker books to pull our spread together. I pulled washi tape. I'm going a little thicker this week, so I thought this tone on tone, it's like a cheetah, this light pink. And then I thought this terrazzo with the gold would work perfectly with this sticker book. Now, something I am going to stay consistent with is whiting out the dates. Now, this I use for my congregation Bible reading and Bible study, just to make sure that I'm prepared. I never want to be caught out there unprepared. So the Bible reading is Deuteronomy 31 to 32. And it talks about learning from word pictures in an inspired song. So I can't wait to read through and learn about using illustrations to help us understand things in the Bible. So that is what I'm preparing for. As I typically do, I like to speed up the putting down of washi. It's not very exciting, but I think starting with the black, and this is going to be a little thicker than I normally have it, but I'm okay with it. This is 10 millimeter. It's fine. All right, so that is our washi tape, and I'm considering going to just get the regular terrazzo and put right there. But as of right now, I have not made that decision, but you get the idea. All right, so here we are, and I love quotes. So I like this love, learn, grow quote. And I'm actually going to put this over here on this side. And I know it's going to take up a couple of these boxes. Ooh. Okay. I forgot to put it on here. So we need to put it there so we can remove some of the sticky off of it. I do think this is a great box to use. All right, so we want to make sure that we can use these boxes. And now I want some florals. Let's get some florals out of here. This is going to be gorgeous. So we got our pops of gold florals. And then here on this side, we have some pinks and blacks. So I think we should take like one pink, one black, one pink, one black. All right. Loving these gold little accents. Since I have short nails, I really think that I can just pull up all the stickers from the sticker books, just how I would like them and need them. And so far, it has not done me wrong. Let's see. And then we have some bullet points right there. All right. So I think I'm going to start over here with this pink box. All right. And I want to put the pink box like right here. Well, maybe not right there. I wonder if it would look nice to go this way. I don't know why I'm feeling putting these stickers long ways, but let's see what we have in black boxes. Not very many of them left for sure, but okay. I think I want to put let's put one of those down. Let's put this right here. Okay. And then I think we can, should that be bigger? Should we do the little wider one? Y'all, I don't play when it comes to black boxes. I use my black boxes like faithfully. Y'all know I've always loved a colorful box. Okay, so I like how that looks. Now I think that we can take this black one and kind of build on here and make another cluster. Okay. Okay. Right here on this side, I think it's a good place to put some bullet points. So we'll do the black bullet points, I think. So we'll do black. All right. Okay. All right. I like how that looks. Let's see what we can do on this other side. Now I want to make the other side, of course, will come in with this pink box right there. And I think I do want to put the smaller box up here. Okay. Let me see. Yes, I want to barely touch in there. And I'm loving this quote. That says, learn, love, grow. So let's try to put her down right here. Learn, love, grow. That's still crooked. We're gonna get her up. We're gonna get that up. But I thought what would be cute, since we have that here, I think we can cut this sticker in half. Okay. And let's place this here. Right there. Loving that. And then I am grabbing a black box. And I don't know if I'm going to do I think I'm going to do a double box. Hopefully when the sticker books restock for Mojo Jojo Plans, I'll be able to grab, look at that, guys. Like, your girl be using these stickers. That's all I can tell you. All right, so we're gonna put this one here. All right, we're not gonna put it down, but we are definitely going to try to put this gold floral right there, okay? And so there's a lot of black there, but in this sticker book, there are some other boxes that we can break out and try to use. that are in that pink family. So I don't want to do the huge ones, but there were some that were not as big, that were more like flags. And I think I want to use those. Yeah, like this. Okay. All right, and then so this one I feel like I want to put maybe pull this up, put another box right there. I wonder if it's too boxy though. I wonder if it is looking a bit boxy. A little bit boxy. Okay. We are finishing up this last bit of undo here. I want to put this straight. Okay. All right. And then I also think I could do, not a big box, but maybe one of these. I wonder if we could do it like that. No, I like to give it a little bit more dimension, and we're gonna turn sideways. We're gonna turn it this way and two-step boogie with it. All right, I'm fine with that. I'm gonna get this. I don't like it. Okay. Let's see if we can. I don't know if I want that one to go there. Okay. Okay. I feel like we need bullet points over there. And I'm either gonna I think I'm gonna do some gold bullet points over there. Here's some right here. Okay. Okay. I think I want to I can grab another floral and maybe have a floral over here, maybe over here. Let's cut that off a little bit. Let's put this here and let's cut off, let's cut the part that's hanging over. I think I can get with that. Let's see. Oh. Okay. think I can put this floral over here on this black box. Okay. I think that it looks cute. I feel like we can put another floral here, maybe right there. All right. And kind of don't want to not put something right here. All right. All right, I think that's pretty for the first week of the month. Let me know what you think about that. And let's grab our next part, which I use this one for my daily Bible reading. Now, I'm going to put the color up just a little bit, and I'm gonna go with this one that has more of the peachy colors. I wish I had another skinny, like black tone on tone cheetah, but I don't think that I do. All right, so let's see if we can, how would this look over here? I think it'll be fine. It's just a little darker than what we already had down, that's all. And then we need to find the gold terrazzo is fine. We can use that right up top because it'll give us the pop of gold and it'll tie it to our horizontal part of the spread. So I think that if I put the gold up top and let the terrazzo piece be on the bottom, there will be no need to white anything out.
Okay, so now to the sped up part, and I'm simply putting that washi tape down as I do every week, just covering up this lined vertical, but it works perfectly in terms of me, scripture writing. So I covered up the August, and I tried that side bar sticker, and it's size for the big, and I liked it, but I didn't like it. So I end up taking it up. I'm using all those elements that I pulled out for the horizontal part of the plan with me. Those florals, I incorporated those as well. So just trying to straighten everything up and make it look as good as possible. And also keeping in mind that for this planner, it is very vital that I reserved an area to write. So I put the black lined colorful box up there from Mojo Jojo Plans. I just think that black really grounds the spread and it looks good. I put that clear quote on there that says wonderful, and then I realign and readjust everything. Then here I'm finding florals. I recovered that, I re-white outed, is that a word? That area, and I continue putting down these florals just to put pops throughout the spread, and just making it look cohesive with the first page. And it wasn't hard with this sticker book. That page there that has the cheetah on the seam, that definitely came from one of the Wild Style companion packs, but it's what I'm using to write my Sunday. It's the equivalent of a sermon, so sermon notes on this one. So I try to make that match my spread every week.
All right, I think that is so cute. And that is my faith plan with me. Let's take a look at everything all together. I just love it when they all match. It just does something to me. So that is for my congregation Bible study. And then this is my daily scripture writing pages here. And then last but not least, this is the one I will use on Sunday to take notes during the sermon time. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this edition of Faith Friday. Please don't forget to do the 3 things: like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.